One of the first utilities that I can use to highlight the contents of certain cells, for example, is to add some borders. For example, all this range that contains titles, I might want to separate it from the rest of the data. By hitting this button right here, Excel will apply a lower border to each of the cells. We see that it shows up as a line that separates the headers from the data. Similarly, I could, for example, take everything that is in the table and apply it to this drop-down submenu, in which I could give it an external border. For example, frame the whole of this range with said external border. We see that effectively, little by little, we are making our spreadsheet more elegant and clearer. For example, for this specific range here, we could even give it a thicker border. In short, we can work and we can give any range, cell, or range of cells a series of borders of differing sizes, with different thicknesses. We could, for example, frame everything that is a data range, etc. We have a myriad of possibilities, and we can access them all through the Borders button in this tab up here. Well, students, that has been it for today's short video lesson about how to implement borders in our spreadsheets. See you all in the next one.